Are you ready to give your Telegram chats a fresh, personalized look? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your very own Telegram themes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning themes with unique backgrounds and custom touches, so your Telegram will look exactly the way you want it. Let's dive right in and start designing. First up, the best place to spark your creativity and get started is the @Themes channel on Telegram. There's also @Android Themes if you're on Android. Both are amazing resources. I recommend joining at least one of these channels. You'll find a huge collection of user-made themes, color palettes, and inspiring ideas, plus theme files you can actually download and play around with. If you're feeling stuck or unsure what kind of vibe you want your chat to have, just scroll through these channels and see what catches your eye. It's like stepping into a gallery of digital art, and you'll definitely pick up a trick or two from other creators' work. Now, when you're ready to start making your theme, think about the background first. It really sets the tone for the whole experience. Telegram lets you customize backgrounds in some pretty cool ways. You can use a simple photo or make things pop with a patterned image. But here's a neat little trick if you want something more dynamic. You can include a custom tiled wallpaper. What does that mean? Tiled wallpapers are repeated patterns, kind of like those classic tiles in a bathroom, but digital. They can add an awesome rhythm and energy to your chats. To do this, head over to the Telegram theme editor. Choose your background image and then look for the share link that gets generated for the background. Now here's the secret sauce: add mode tiled to the very end of that background's link. So if your share link looks like Telegram me share background ABC, just tack on mode tiled so it now reads Telegram me /share/ background ABC mode equals tiled. What this does is tell Telegram to tile your background, repeating the image across the whole chat window. This effect is especially cool with geometric shapes or subtle textures, but feel free to experiment. If your first pattern doesn't look quite right, don't worry, just swap it out and try again. Sometimes it takes a few iterations to find the look that really fits. As you adjust your themes, colors, and backgrounds, always think about readability. Make sure your text stands out nicely against your background. For instance, a dark background needs lighter text and vice versa. A little trial and error here is perfectly normal, and remember, you can always preview your changes right inside the theme editor before saving anything. Once you're happy with your theme, you can export it as a theme file and even share it with others. Maybe you want to post it on @Themes to inspire someone else, or just keep it for yourself. That's totally up to you. And there you have it, a quick, effective way to create custom Telegram themes that showcase your style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Telegram tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides and tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.